For warm up 48, we're going to show some surface, which means the things that, okay, so we're going to start with an ellipse closer to the bottom. We're going to use overlapping, and we're going to use density. So we'll start first with our oval at the bottom. We're going to go vertical, vertical, and then this has to be a curve down here, okay? And then let's do this. So the next row is going to be behind it. So we're going to do our ellipse, and we're going to go on this angle here. So like if we're angling from the middle out, I'll do something like this, just as a little guide to show me where I'm going to. So this will sit here. So we're going to do an ellipse here and an ellipse here. And they're going to get a little smaller too as they go back. So bottom one is going to be biggest, and then vertical, vertical. So that's behind this one. So the front one is overlapping. Then we're going to come vertical, vertical. We'll curve on the bottom, curve on the bottom. Okay. Next one here. We're going to go a little bit smaller. We're going to be fitting 3 here. Got to get out from behind there though. So make sure when you got your 3, you're passing over that line, because we want to see the edge of them here. Okay, and then we'll do the curve on the bottom. Vertical, vertical, vertical. Here we'll see the curve here from in between it. If you put them really tight, you might not see that one. Mine are sort of distant from each other. And then as I go back, next row we'll have 4. These are going to become smaller. So at 4, we want the middle one. Should be like coming to the middle of this almost. So that'll split them. And 2 here. Next one we'll have 5. And again, smaller. And they're going to become lighter as they go back in space. So I'm going to just sort of make them a little bit thinner. And they're not as wide as they go back. Again, we're just showing like hints of them back here. I'm not even trying to draw the whole thing. So it's going to be dark and dense when it's close. We'll see all the details, and as they fade back in space, they're going to sort of like the details are going to fade apart. So here, and every one of these we'll put down in the corner, down in the corner. If you can see that bottom, you'll hint at it back here. We're not trying to draw every little piece. We're going to at least draw the angles down, like straight down here, here, here. So we're hinting. Like these lines, you will kind of see, like you want to see the side and this bottom, the side and the bottom. But as we come to the middle, less and less. Okay, as we come down. Down here, let's put labels on this side. We're going to see them really clearly. So nice and dark here, curving, curving, straight, curving, curve, curve, straight. I'm going to let them get lighter, so I'm going back, curve, curve, straight, curve, straight. I'm going to hint on these, where that is. That one I might actually really see it on that one that's right behind. Okay, on these, curve straight, curve straight. I'm going to put those little bottoms so it looks like they're going back. Straight. Just a little bit back here. I'm not doing every little thing. And then I'm going to do shading on this side. So I'm going to do curve shading. Let's do this side first. Curve shading. As I go back, it's going to look a little lighter. Curve shading, still seeing it here. Here, it's lighter, lighter. We're going to see a little here, because this is really only 3rd row back. And then as it goes back, we're always on the left-hand side. Just throwing a little bit of it on there, hinting that it's there. here above. So we'll still see this curve shading right here. We're going to erase that line. We don't need that up there. And then the last thing is cast shadow. So we're going to do cast shadow here, 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 here. Might see a little here, 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 here. That's it. When you're done, you can put something on here if you want. I'm going to do like salt shaker, but when you're done, submit your work.